Hello everyone and welcome back. I am Mark Thompson. These are Alteryx tutorials. Today's session is going to be weekly challenge number 193, and we want to take and put a list of unofficial holidays in chronological order. You can see the data we have here where we've got all of these different things: National Proofreading Day, International Dance Day, National Yo-Yo Day. And we want to put all of these in the correct order by date. As you can see, they are all scrambled up. Now, we can't just sort these because D's and F's and M's, it won't come out in the correct monthly order. So we've got to identify how we can take this and turn it into this with a nice January date, and here's the event. Let's go ahead and jump in. Start off with, first thing you can see from these little red triangles, has leading spaces, has trailing spaces. Let's go ahead and clean this data up, shall we? So we're going to select both columns and we're going to replace the nulls with blanks or zeros, get rid of the leading and trailing and the tabs and the blanks. We don't need any of that. Simple enough. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this day right here and we're going to break it out into its pieces. And we've got January and the day, and we're doing a delimiter here, which is a space. And we're breaking it into 3 columns. Now, do we even need that third? Do we even need that third column? I don't think there's anything in there. So let's go ahead and reduce this to 2. Do a quick run on it. And you can see now we've taken and broken the day into day 1 and day 2. Now, we're going to want to be able to sort these. That's part of what I was talking about to start off with, in order 1 through 12. In this next tool, the join, let's go ahead and we join. We've got this little text input. We've got each month, and we call them out 1 through 12. We join these over here. And here we've got, we're calling this, we're calling this month num right here. And the right month, we don't need that. So we've got the date, we rename this the date, and what's the month, the day, and the month number. Next thing we do is we're going to go ahead and sort these by month number and by day 2. So you see the month number and by day 2. And then this final piece here, you know me, let's keep it clean. We've now got these in the correct order. Do we even need any of this information here? Really, we don't. We just want the date and the event, reorder them, and here's our finished product. Simple enough. I am Mark Thompson. This is Watermark Data. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, please hit share, and of course, we always welcome your comments and feedback.